Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. I have this Porsalino stuff here. This is like an Ecopour, and this is going to be the base of my coasters that I want to do today. So if you want to see what I did with it, just stay tuned and have some fun with me. My base is all dry now. It's been 24 hours since pouring those, and what I'm doing first now is I'm painting with acrylic paint, 2 or 3 layers of paint onto the back of my coasters. And as you can see, it's the back because this lip is showing on the coasters. And the reason for that is that I will put some resin on top of it. I will seal it, the whole thing, with the resin, and with that rim it's most unlikely that I will have some overspill. After the paint was dry, I took some of this double-sided adhesive and I pressed my foil onto the tape, and as you can see, it's really easy to do, and it's a really quick way to decorate some pieces that you want to make. And yeah, I have this in some other colors as well. The red foil that I'm trying to use here, I got this from my hubby, and he brought this from his work home. And I was trying to do the same thing with this kind of foil, but that really didn't work, as you can see. And I've been trying and trying, but it didn't work. And at the end, I had to get rid of it again. And so what you're going to do when you have to get rid of that? Good thing is that I had the double-sided tape underneath this foil. And so getting rid of it was like really an easy job because I just had to rip the tape off of the coaster, as you can see. I will let that run for you so you can watch what I did to each coaster. And yeah, if you're really not interested in watching me doing this, just skip ahead. So I did that on every coaster, and now I have here those cocktail themed stickers, and I'm choosing 1 or 2 of each or for each coaster that I want to make, and they are transparent, as you can see, so you will see the color and the gold and the other foil stuff underneath the sticker. So what you gotta be careful of is that you have to really press those stickers on. Be careful that you get no fat from your fingers onto the adhesive side, because otherwise the stickers won't really stick to the coaster. And when you put the resin on top, the bad thing about it is then that the stickers will lift, and then there's nothing you can do about it anymore. After I finished decorating all the coasters, I put a top coat with resin on top, and I mixed some glimmer powder into the resin. I will leave some pictures of the finished product at the end of this video. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. It's always nice hearing from you, and I hope you had as much fun as I did with this little quick project. And yeah, hopefully we'll see each other in my next video. Bye bye!